Hello friends, welcome to the RD channel. This video is just for fun type. Do not try at home and be careful. A unique experiment between Thumbs Up and Eno create a powerful piston. So here we take a new Thumbs Up, the Eno and a 5 ml syringe. First we place some cotton in the syringe. After opening the piston, this is because we want a delay in reaction between Thumbs Up and Eno. So we remove the piston again. Now we load the Eno powder on top of cotton. And put the piston back. So now get the Thumbs Up in a bowl or a glass. Be quick in reaction and do not point the syringe piston to anyone or to self. Just be careful. Now load the syringe at a fast rate from Thumbs Up and immediately close the syringe. Open end tightly with finger and place the piston far off from you or from anywhere. I will now demonstrate the same.